Hellsscythe 460 taper versus Dransword 360 flat. Let the battle begin. This Beyblade battle is basically Bird versus Kamen X or X Cross, either one you want to call them. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they're the same person, so yeah. And this Beyblade battle didn't happen anywhere as of right now, but I'm pretty sure it may happen in the anime or the manga or something at some point. You know, like training and stuff like that. Anyway, yeah, I just really wanted to do this battle because these are the first two Beyblades that ever got released for Beyblade X because they got released early, and yeah, I'm just going to be doing a battle between these two because I'm excited for it. Let's see who's a better protagonist because people think that Kamen X is a protagonist instead of Bird. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Okay. Hellsscythe was round 1 with the overfinish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! The Dransword is hitting pretty hard. And Dransword wins that round with the spin finish, I mean. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Well, Hellsscythe got extreme. Dransword wins that round with the extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. Whoa! Dransword just did 3 extreme dashes. Yeah, they're both calm now. I don't know, I might have to tilt launch Hellsscythe. Hellsscythe was right round with the spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Whoa! Dransword was that round with the spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Wow! Dransword wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay, big hits. And Dransword wins that round with the spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Hellsscythe is scraping the arena a little bit. Whoa, big hits. Dransword wins that round with the spin finish. And yeah, I might be launching a little bit light because Hellsscythe hit my finger, so yeah, that hurts. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Dransword was that round with the spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! It was like they were racing each other. Huge hits. Dransword was that round with the spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa, huge hits. Yeah, these are actually really explosive. That's one thing I'm really surprised about is how explosive they are. And Hellsscythe was that round with the spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. And Dransword wins with the spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Wow! Dransword sent Hellsscythe like up above the arena. Wow! Dransword wins that round with the spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Dransword hits really hard. Now let's see who wins. And Dransword wins with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay, I'm trying to show you why I don't launch Dransword first. Oh wow! Self-extreme! And Dransword wins that round with the extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Over finish! Dransword wins that round with the over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Like, the hits between these two are just really crazy. Hellsscythe wins that round with the spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! It basically bursted itself. So what do I count that? A burst finish? Because I think it just hit the, I think it hit the extreme line and then it just kind of came apart after that. But, yeah. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Not gonna ask what happened there. I'm not. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. Dransword wins that round with extreme finish. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! It's like Hellsscythe is just copying Dransword. And Hellsscythe wins that round with the spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa, that was almost an over finish. Dransword is still just pushing back Hellsscythe. Wow. Dransword wins that round with the spin finish. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Oh wow! Dransword is tipping over and still trying to basically knock around Hellsscythe. Hellsscythe is avoiding these attacks. Let's see who wins, and Hellsscythe wins with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! They flew through the air! Like, these Beyblades, they actually fly through the air sometimes. Hellsscythe wins that round with the spin finish. Go shoot! Whoa! And Dransword wins that round with the spin finish. So if you want to support the channel, you can support the channel by going to Model Toys. There is a link in the description. And whenever you click the link, you'll actually go to the site itself. And I have coupon codes. For both Model Toys and Bays and Bricks, it is the Legendary R. And for Model Toys, you can actually save 5% off. And then for Bays and Bricks, you'll save 7% off. And also, if you want to support my channel in a non-financial way, you can just watch my videos, like, share, comment, subscribe, and stuff like that. All that stuff helps. And yeah, that's about it. So I'll announce the winner right now. Your winner is Dransword 360F. Yeah, this Beyblade battle was really crazy, and Dransword won like most of them. I'm pretty sure Dransword won most of them. Either way, it was like really close if Dransword wasn't the one like winning most. And even yeah, like I was saying a few videos ago, you actually like if you launch flat like how I've been launching flat, you actually don't mess up your tip. So please keep that in mind. And the ratchet, like the ratchet and stuff like that, that does get worn down and like be up. But yeah, just keep that in mind. Anyway, that's about it. The winner is Dransword, and I'm glad it won because it seems like it's a poster Beyblade for Beyblade X, which is weird. Anyway, like if you want, share if you want, and subscribe to become a legend in the making. See you next time, bye, and we are proven to be legendary. Stay legendary.